how you guys doing? Welcome to my channel. G is for the good life. So today, we are on the quest for the best. We are looking for pancakes. One of the traditions that my family and I have is Sunday morning pancakes. We love Sunday morning pancakes. And so we are recently just went on keto, so we had to give those up. So we've been on the quest to search for the best pancakes. Without further ado, we're getting ready to do the quest for the best pancake challenge, okay? So the first recipe is made with carb quick, heavy whipping cream, and egg and carries gold butter. Pancake A. Pancake B is made with swerve almond flour, avocado oil, eggs, vanilla, salt, and carries gold butter. And pancake C is made with baking soda, buttermilk, almond flour, salt, eggs, and Kerrygoat's butter. And this is pancake C, and it's just a version that I just use substitutions for. This is batter A with the carb quick. But my family will not know what is what. All they're gonna know is A, B, and C. So that's the way this looks. And this is batter B. I don't have a spoon for it, but it's the thinnest out of, as far as the liquid goes, it's the thinnest out of all three. And then this one, okay, and this one is a recipe I found on Pinterest. The recipe is a keto pancake recipe. So that is pancake batter B. And pancake batter C is somewhere in between as far as the consistency. So it is pourable, whereas batter A is not pourable. But we're going to put it on the griddle as is. And it's not as liquid, it's not as thin as batter B. So this is kind of in the middle. And what this is just my regular buttermilk pancake recipe that I would use before I went on keto. And I just substituted, instead of using real sugar, I use swerve. And instead of using regular flour, I just use almond flour. So we're gonna see which one is the best. So stay tuned for our quest for the best. So this is what all three of them look like on the griddle. So we have pancake A, which is made with carb quick. And I followed the recipe to a T. And then this is the keto pancake recipe that I found on Pinterest. And then this is a regular buttermilk pancake recipe that I substituted for keto ingredients. So this is what they look like so far. And I'll check back in with you once they are finished. And then we'll have the taste test. So now what I did was the pancake batter C, it was just too thin. I tried to scoop it out in a small portion, and as it got hotter and cooked, it just spread it out where I could barely flip it over and it would fall apart. So what I did was I add about a fourth of a cup of coconut flour, because I think coconut flour is really thick. So I figured the coconut flour would be able to hold this in place, and it has. So it is cooking, but I'm getting ready to flip it over, and we'll see in just a little bit. Okay, so now I've just flipped over the pancakes, and I'm getting ready to flip them over and put them on a plate. So this is pancake A, made with carb quick. As you can see, it's kind of thick. So, and that's what it looks like. So that's pancake A. And then we have pancake B, which is the keto recipe. And I'm getting ready to peek at this. Oops, it's hard to do it while I'm on camera. Come on. There we go. And that is pancake B. And here's pancake C, which is just a substitution of a regular buttermilk pancake. I substitute the flour and the sugar for keto-friendly ingredients. So here we go. And that's the way that one look. Out of all of them, this was the hardest one to flip over. It just did not want to flip. And I cooked them all at the same time. This took the longest to get ready, but I think it looks the prettiest. And this looks pretty good too. So we are getting ready to do the challenge in just a few. We have pancake C. So what I did was on the one at the top, I added a little bit of coconut flour to give us some stability, and it still broke apart. But if it ends up tasting really good, I may just go ahead and play around with the recipe until I get it into a perfect consistency where I can easily flip it. This is pancake B. Pancake B pretty much has a really nice texture. So I would probably put this as number one as far as appearance. And then we have pancake A. Now my family, they do not know which one is which. All they know is that they're all keto. Of course they know that one have coconut flour, but the rest of them have coconut flour in it too. So they don't know what's in these pancakes or which one is which. We will be using, my kids will be using just regular log cabin syrup, and my husband and I will be using a pancake syrup by Walden Farms. It's calorie free and it has 0 carbs. So we will be using this. This is a pancake syrup that we use, and we're almost out of it, but I think it's enough to do the challenge. So anywho.
I need 4.
Alright, so that's pancake C.
I definitely think pancake C tastes good.
Okay. Why do you think pancake C?
Well, it tastes like a normal pancake, but it doesn't look like one.
Okay.
If pancake B tastes just like pancake C, then I would go with pancake B.
Okay.
It does taste like a regular pancake.
It does.
It doesn't taste like a diet pancake.
Okay.
Like all the other pancakes you give it tastes like.
Alright, so now we're getting ready to go with pancake B. Pancake B. You don't like the pancake? Okay, so the baby did not like the pancakes. Okay. Alright, let him try that one. And, okay, so now they're all eating pancake B.
Ready?
A baby will white pancake?
Let's see.
He's sitting there thinking about it. Okay, so it's in the middle.
Yeah.
I still like the first one better.
Like the first one better. Okay, all right. So the first one is winning,
No,
even though that is the one I had the most difficulty with, trying to flip it and everything. But it is winning thus far. Okay.
That's for
So, all right. Yeah. So my son likes
What'd you
my
like?
my youngest son likes
I like,
pancake B.
I like pancake C.
Okay.
Okay, and my oldest likes pancake C. All right, here we go. And my husband likes pancake C.
Yeah.
All right, now we're ready for pancake A.
Now if pancake.
Now we're trying pancake A. Like I said, they don't know what is
Want it
which.
down?
They don't know. I know, but they don't know. So
I'm
here we
eating
go.
pancake A. Pancake C wins.
Okay, so you don't like pancake A?
Mm.
Okay, why?
Tastes too coconut. It tastes like almond and just mushy.
Okay.
And
It's tough.
I don't like this.
You don't like that. So we have one vote for
It's between
pancake
A
B.
and C for me.
Okay, A and C. All right, if you had to live with only one, which one would it be?
C.
B.
Because
C, A, B.
So C is number one.
Yeah.
So I have vote for C, vote for C. Now it's time for mommy to either join in with the rest of the family or break a tie. Well, I don't know if that's really a tie, but this is pancake C. I'm gonna try this one
yes,
first.
you're gonna love this one.
Yum, thumb it up.
The texture is thin and it's buttery.
Yes.
With C?
It's
Yeah.
very buttery.
Yeah.
Take it. Take it. Take it. Take it. Take it.
All right, here is pancake B.
That's the best way to describe C. It's thin, buttery.
And delicious.
I show up.
I like this texture, but it doesn't have any flavor.
Yeah.
Nah. This
He
is
really didn't have any flavor, and well, and A was just too tough.
I want to do it.
It doesn't have a lot of flavor.
Yeah, B does not have a lot of flavor. B will be good if it has
Ah, yeah.
And this here is pancake
That's funny.
pancake A.
I want to sit you.
And
And this is cut.
so it sounds like C. Alright, sounds like we got a winner. Alright, the most difficult one.
Yeah, so now
So we gotta perfect it.
then I'm gonna play around with the recipe. I'm gonna play around the recipe to figure out what's gonna get it to where it's perfect and I can perfectly flip it. I will share it with you guys. So thank you for joining me and my family on the quest for the best pancake keto edition. Talk to you guys later. Bye. Hey, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share. And if you would like to be notified every time I drop a new video, make sure you hit the notification bell. See you next time.